Hey everyone, Doctor here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's on everyone's mind, aging. We all want to know how to feel younger and more energetic, and guess what? Science has some answers for us. We're diving deep into the top 5 exercises that research shows can actually help reverse the aging process. We're not talking about crazy miracle cures here, but real, evidence-based exercises that can make a tangible difference in your life. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, these exercises are accessible and adaptable to all levels. Stick around to the end of the video where I'll be sharing some bonus tips on how to maximize the anti-aging benefits of your workout routine. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic aerobic exercise. You know it, you love it. It's your running, swimming, cycling, and anything else that gets your heart rate up and makes you feel like you're back in your 20s. But did you know that aerobic exercise is like a powerful elixir for your cells? Studies have shown that regular aerobic exercise can actually increase your lifespan. That's right, adding years to your life just by moving your body. How does it work? Well, aerobic exercise strengthens your cardiovascular system, making your heart a lean, mean, blood-pumping machine. This means better blood flow throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cells and keeping them healthy and happy. And when your cells are happy, you feel younger and more energized. But wait, there's more. Aerobic exercise also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing age-related diseases like type 2 diabetes. And if that wasn't enough, it also helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, another key factor in slowing down the aging process. So how much aerobic exercise are we talking about? Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Next up, we're hitting the weights, or at least adding some resistance to our routine. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass and bone density. It's a fact of life, but it's not something we have to accept lying down. Strength training, whether you're pumping iron at the gym or using resistance bands at home, is like the fountain of youth for your muscles and bones. It helps you maintain and even build muscle mass, which not only keeps you strong and mobile, but also boosts your metabolism and helps with weight management. And let's not forget about our bones. Strength training is crucial for maintaining bone density, which can prevent osteoporosis and those dreaded fractures that can really put a damper on your golden years. But the benefits don't stop there. Strength training has also been linked to improved cognitive function, better sleep, and even a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. So how often should you be hitting the weights? Aim for at least 2 sessions of strength training per week, targeting all major muscle groups. Remember, you don't have to lift heavy to reap the benefits. Start with lighter weights or resistance and gradually increase as you get stronger. Now let's take a deep breath and find our zen with yoga. Yoga is a mind-body practice that has been practiced for centuries and for good reason. It's like a gentle but powerful tune-up for your entire being. Flexibility is key as we age, and yoga is the ultimate flexibility enhancer. It helps improve your range of motion, making everyday activities easier and preventing those aches and pains that can creep up on us. But yoga is much more than just stretching. It also helps improve your balance, which is crucial for preventing falls, a major concern as we get older. And let's not forget about the mental benefits. Yoga is a powerful stress reliever, helping to calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and improve overall well-being. Studies have even shown that yoga can have positive effects on brain structure and function, boosting memory and cognitive abilities. So, roll out your mat and give yoga a try. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Ready to crank up the intensity? High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a fantastic way to torch calories, boost your metabolism, and turn back the clock on your fitness level. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. This type of training has been shown to be incredibly effective for improving cardiovascular health, increasing your VO2 max, a measure of how well your body uses oxygen, and even reversing some of the negative effects of aging on your cells. One of the most appealing aspects of HIIT is its efficiency. You can get a great workout in a shorter amount of time compared to traditional cardio. Plus, the afterburn effect of HIIT means you'll continue to burn calories even after you've finished exercising. Just remember to listen to your body and start slowly, gradually increasing the intensity and duration of your HIIT workouts as you get fitter. Let's finish our journey with a practice that embodies the concept of graceful aging Taichi. This ancient Chinese martial art involves slow, flowing movements that promote balance, coordination, and mental clarity. Taichi is often described as meditation in motion because it requires you to be fully present in your body, focusing on your breath and the gentle movements. This mindful aspect of Taichi has been shown to reduce stress, improve sleep, and enhance cognitive function. But Taichi is not just about relaxation. It also strengthens your muscles, improves your balance, and increases your range of motion, making it an ideal exercise for preventing falls and maintaining mobility as you age. And here's a bonus benefit. Taichi is a low-impact exercise, making it suitable for people of all fitness levels and ages, even those with joint pain or mobility limitations. That's it for our top 5 science-backed exercises to reverse aging. Remember, it's never too late to start incorporating these exercises into your routine. Start slowly, listen to your body, and most importantly, have fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based health and fitness tips. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family so they can join us on the journey to youthful aging. Stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and keep